Hey everybody, this is your friend Cyril Jeet, and today I want to talk to you about a new product that I got on 23rd of March. And this one is really special because this is the first time that anyone has ever done anything like this. This is the first Facebook autoresponder, and it works just like your traditional autoresponders. You grab leads using your websites, using your opt-in forms, and in fact using 3 more additional ways. This software gives you 3 ways apart from the opt-in forms to grab your leads, and then you can send them a message broadcast just like you send your customers email broadcasts. And you know what that means? It means 100% inboxing and 100% viewership. So every single guy that you're going to send a message to, they're going to read it, and you are going to get maximum viewership, maximum number of clicks. And we all know how important Facebook is for business these days. A lot of people don't read their emails, but they read every single Facebook message. So this is something that is a real game changer. It works just like your autoresponders. The experience is something that you're already used to, so you won't be hunting around in new waters. All you need to do is just put it on your existing forms. That's the best thing. You can put it in the same form where you're grabbing your email leads, and the leads will come to you on Facebook as well. So you can actually grab your leads, send them to Facebook, send them to your email list, and make sure that every single lead is totally clued in, and you're able to reach them whenever you want. Guys, this is a game-changing software. It's a SaaS, and it's going to be released on the 23rd of March. You can bet your list is just going to love it. And as usual, I've got the best quality product in the market. You're talking about really solidly built, solidly tested product, and great after-sales support. You know how I really take care of my customers. And don't forget the $8,000 contest. You can win $2,500 for the first prize, and I'm gonna have a lot of mid-launch contest with $1,500 first prize. So guys, get on board on this powerful launch on 23rd of March, and let's make it large. This is your friend Cyril Jeet signing off. Let me know if you need anything.